Hi, hello. Are you looking for a UI UX designer? You are in the right place with the right person. Here at UI UX Designer Dharma, I'm gonna help you to bring your ideas to life with application, mobile application, iOS, Android, or an e-commerce site or a complicated custom software. I'm gonna build and design it for you. You are in the right place with the right person who has more than 5 years of real world experience. What you are still looking for, you are with the right person. Contact me now and let's give it a call and talk more in details about your idea. Of course, we're gonna do a demo for you and you will suggest us more ideas and you will give us your final decision to continue with us or not, meaning we are giving you a small demo to decide if you want to go with us or not. And I'm guarantee you, if you want to start with us, because we have the real world experience and we understand people, because the most important things in UI UX design is not to be a great person. You need to be good at communication and you need to be good at listening to your employees, your clients, your customers, and also you need to be good at designing and solving problems. All of this I gained them in these last 5 years working with clients, with startups, with enterprises and big companies. It doesn't come from nothing. It comes from real world experience. You are gonna get benefited from my real world experience, and of course I'm gonna help you. Let's schedule a call now.